Here are 3 common mistakes I see people make when they do bird dogs. First, their leg and arm are too high. Instead, you want to keep your leg level with your hip and your arm level with your shoulder. Second, not bracing your core before you extend. So rather than trying to set your back with your arm and leg extended, instead, what you want to do is to set your back first and then extend the arm and leg. And third, lazy hands and feet. Instead, to maximize activation of your back, curl your toe towards your shin and make a tight fist. That'll engage all of your back muscles optimally, and that's how you do better bird dogs. Follow for more tips.